Well, thank you so much for coming in today. Can you tell everyone a little bit about who you are and what you've had done?
My name is Todd Schwab, and I had two partial knee replacements done at the same time.
Get a photo of your knees. And Todd, when did you have your surgery?
I had it done on 6 days ago on 7/17/2024.
Amazing. And where did you have your surgery done?
Abraco at the hospital. Brazo, Brazo, at 40th and Shea.
And did you go home the same day?
I went home 4 hours after the surgery.
Amazing. And since your surgery, have you had to take what has your pain medications been like?
Basically 2 Tylenols every 8 hours or so, and I would say at this point I probably don't even need to take that. Took absolutely no muscle relaxers, and I did not take any pain relief medicine other than the Tylenol.
Wow. What would you say to a patient that is thinking about doing surgery?
I would say do your research on who you're going to use. I would say that from beginning to end, everything in the hospital was exceeded expectations for me. Obviously, everybody's nervous going into surgery, no matter what type of surgery it is. But I would say that from beginning the process to going into the hospital to the care I'm still receiving has been way above expectation.
Awesome. I'm glad. I'm happy to hear that. One last thing. What made you choose Dr. Goff?
Well, it's sort of a strange story, but my son's neighbor is a friend of Dr. Goff and asked me to come here and at least see him and talk to him. I looked at some alternatives as well, but after meeting with Chris and doing a couple of different therapies and then finally realizing that, yeah, we can sort of temporarily push it off. After talking to Dr. Goff and him explaining that if I wait any longer, I'm probably looking at 2 full knee replacements, we decided that I was a good candidate for the partials and I would do really well.
Good.
Scary part was doing both of them at the same time, but that worked out well too.
And have you had to use any type of walker or cane or anything like that?
Get yelled at from my wife all the time because she keeps catching me without the walker. I've been told to use the walker just for safety reasons. If you ask me, I feel like I can be fine without the walker. I feel like I can drive already. Like I said, I think I'll be dancing next week.
Oh my gosh. Well, thank you so much. We appreciate it so much. And